Welcome to TechDuff's SEO section. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of cache. Now you might be wondering, what is this cache we speak of? Well, imagine you're a chef in a bustling kitchen. Every time a customer orders a dish, you have to whip it up from scratch. That's a lot of time and effort, right? Now imagine if you could instead prepare certain popular dishes in advance and just reheat them when ordered. That would save you a lot of time, wouldn't it? That's exactly what cache does for your website. It stores a version of your web pages and serves it to your visitors, saving the time it would take to load everything from scratch. This not only speeds up your website but also gives your visitors a smoother, more enjoyable browsing experience. So in essence, cache is like your fridge, keeping your favorite snacks ready to grab without needing to cook them from scratch every time. Now that we know what cache is, let's take a look at its superhero version in the WordPress world, the cache plugins. Just like a superhero, cache plugins have a mission: to make your website run faster and smoother. Imagine a world where the websites you visit load at the speed of light, where lagging and buffering are as extinct as dinosaurs. That's the world these plugins aim to create. So, what exactly are WordPress cache plugins? Well, they're like the secret ingredient in your grandma's famous cookies. Sure, you could bake cookies without it, but they wouldn't be half as delicious. Similarly, you could run a WordPress site without a cache plugin, but it wouldn't be half as fast. These plugins work by storing a static version of your website, so it doesn't have to be built from scratch every time a visitor lands on it. It's like having a blueprint ready, so you don't have to draw up plans each time you want to build a house. This drastically reduces the load time of your website, making it more user-friendly. But the benefits don't stop at user experience. Faster loading times also mean better SEO rankings. Search engines love websites that are fast and efficient. It's like being the teacher's pet in school. You get all the extra attention and perks. Now, if you're thinking these plugins sound like a lot of work, think again. They're designed to be as easy to use as possible. It's like using a microwave. You don't need to know how it works to heat your popcorn. And just like a microwave saves you time in the kitchen, cache plugins save you time on website management. These plugins are also incredibly versatile. Whether you're running a small blog, an e-commerce site, or a massive news portal, there's a cache plugin that's perfect for you. It's like shopping for shoes. There's a perfect fit for everyone. Think of these plugins as your personal kitchen staff, prepping your favorite meals ahead of time so you don't have to wait when hunger strikes. You might be wondering, how do I get this kitchen staff for my website? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The process of installing cache plugins in WordPress is as simple as pie. Picture this. You're in a virtual store, the WordPress plugin directory, and you're looking for the perfect kitchen staff, your cache plugin. You find one you like, let's say WP Rocket, and you simply click on Install Now. Next, you're going to click on Activate. Think of it as hiring your kitchen staff and then telling them to start working. Now they're ready to start cooking up some seriously fast page loads. But remember, every kitchen staff or cache plugin works a little differently, so you'll want to check out the plugin settings to make sure it's cooking things just the way you like. And voila! Your website's kitchen staff is ready to serve. Now, let's meet the top chefs in the kitchen of WordPress cache plugins. First up, we have WP Rocket. This is the Gordon Ramsay of caching plugins with a reputation for being best in class. From page caching to database optimization, WP Rocket has got it all. It's user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. But like a premium dining experience, WP Rocket comes with a price tag. The single site license starts at $99 a year. Next, we have W3 Total Cache. Think of this one as the Jamie Oliver of caching plugins. It's all about giving you the tools to make your site as fast as possible. It offers features like minifying, CDN support, and object cache. W3 Total Cache is free, but if you want extra features and support, there's a pro version for $99 a year. On to WP Optimize. This plugin is like the Ina Garten of the WordPress world. It's more than a caching plugin, it's a full-fledged site optimization tool. It cleans up your database, compresses your images, and of course caches your pages. WP Optimize is free, but for advanced features the premium version starts at $39 a year. Next in line is Lightspeed Cache. Think of this one as the Guy Fieri of caching plugins. It's all about speed and performance with features like image optimization, CDN support, and database cleanup. Lightspeed Cache is free, but the premium version, offering more advanced features, starts at $59 a year. Finally, we have WP Fastest Cache. This plugin is like the Anthony Bourdain of the WordPress world. It's straightforward, no nonsense, and gets the job done. From minifying CSS and HTML to leveraging browser caching, WP Fastest Cache does it all. It's free, but for premium features, the cost starts at $49 a year. So, there you have it. Our top 5 chefs in the kitchen of WordPress cache plugins. Each one has its specialties, its strengths, and its price points. Whether you're a gourmet chef yourself or just learning to cook, there's a plugin here to suit your needs. So, those are our top chefs. But who's the head chef? Let's find out next. It's time for our MasterChef finale, a comparison of our top 5 contenders. Let's kick things off with WP Rocket, the Gordon Ramsay of cache plugins. It's definitely got some Michelin star-worthy features like page caching and zip compression. It's super easy to use, and you won't need a computer science degree to figure it out. The pricing is a bit on the higher side, but hey, quality comes at a cost, right? Next on our chopping board is W3 Total Cache. This plugin is like your local diner. It's got everything you need, and it doesn't break the bank. It has a robust set of features and is quite user-friendly. But like any good diner, sometimes it can be a bit too crowded and complex. Our third contender is the WP Optimize. This plugin is the all-rounder of the group, like that kid in school who was good at everything. It not only handles caching but also cleans up your database. It's like having a housekeeper for your website. The pricing, however, is a bit like a pop quiz. It pops up when you least expect it. Lightspeed Cache is next, and it's like your friendly neighborhood superhero. It's got an impressive set of features, including image optimization and database cleanup. It's easy to use, and the best part? It's free. Now that's what I call saving the day. Last but not least, we have the WP Fastest Cache. This plugin is like your reliable old car. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. It's easy to use, and its minimalistic approach means there are fewer settings to worry about. The pricing is also quite reasonable, much like the annual maintenance of your old faithful. Now for the moment of truth. Drumroll please. Our top recommendation is none other than WP Rocket. It's the perfect mix of powerful features, ease of use, and premium support. It's like hiring a professional chef for your website. You know you're going to get a mouth-watering, high-speed site. Yes, it's a bit pricier than others, but remember, you're paying for a premium experience. And there you have it, folks. WP Rocket takes the MasterChef title in our WordPress cache plugin kitchen. Until next time, keep your website speedy and your SEO game strong. Alright folks, that was quite a feast of information, wasn't it? But guess what? We've got more for you. For a more detailed breakdown and in-depth reviews of these plugins, don't forget to visit our website. We've left the link in the description below. Over there you'll find a buffet of information including comparison charts, pros and cons, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. You can also find discount codes and special offers for some of these plugins, so make sure to check that out. And remember, your website is like your digital home. It's important to keep it clean, fast, and efficient. So, go ahead, explore our website and find the right tools to spruce up your digital abode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep your website speedy and your SEO game strong.